See that? It didn't go up. That screw hold it. So now we got to do the other side. Now we got to just switch this whole thing over there. Oh man, I don't want to hit my bike, so there we go. Just put this up here so I can, my help went away, so I can bring that over here to this side. Yeah, make sure you leave your doors open too. So if you don't, you're gonna have a problem. Just gotta make sure this is flat. There we go. Actually, I'm doing that side, so I don't really care where it goes. You're gonna have to get a strap. There's no way to do it. I'm gonna have to switch it. Oh no, it was twisted on the top. There we go. See this right here? That's what I'm talking about. See how even I can get it. That's all she wrote. That's all she wrote. It's not always going to be how you want it, but that's going to work. That's going to work. It's going to have to work. Let's see the other side. Yep, I'm gonna have to drill the hole on that side too. Right in the middle, right there. To modify this shit. I said it's not always gonna be the... They're gonna tell you, yeah, it fits, bend it, but it's not gonna bend. You're gonna have to cut it. You're gonna have to modify it. And you're gonna have to drill some new holes so it can stay down. It doesn't have a hole here, so you see I'm gonna drill a hole right here, right in the center, so it can stay down. If not, it's gonna go up. So that looks right dead center right there. this sucker. And there it is, guys. The rest is easy. Just gotta push this down, just like this, and tighten all those little screws that are up here. Well, you can see them, they're up there. And all those screws in the front. And then put some screws here in the back. They go along the top. Right here, they go along the top. And that's it, it's a done deal. I don't think I'm gonna have to put too many screws there. And it's all done. Alright, I'll tell you when I'm trying to do something else to this Humvee. Keep on watching. Plan B, top and snapback installation. There's some good guys there, man. You order some stuff. Their stuff is real nice. Thank you.